to all grade 7A and grade 7B students. How are you? So, we are on our third week, this June 2020. So now, we are going to start and we are going to study starter unit, language focus. For lesson 1, we will talk about there is and there are. And for lesson 2, we are going to learn about some, a lot, and a. Okay? So now, let's begin. Our lesson for lesson 1 is there is and there are. We are going to learn how to use it when we write our sentences and when we are going to describe or tell about something. Okay? But before that, let's have a review. What are nouns again? Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. When we say name, it's a name given to a person, place, or thing. Okay. So last time we also learned about 2 types of nouns. It depends on on the quantity. Okay. The first one is singular nouns. When we say singular nouns, how many nouns? Only one. Okay, remember, singular noun, we talk about one noun only, so one name. Okay, next one, we are going to review about plural nouns. When we say plural nouns, these are nouns that are more than one. So 2, 3, 4, 1,000, 100. So plural nouns more than one. So now let's start. Starter unit, language focus. Today we're going to learn how to use there is and there are. When we talk about there is, we are going to use it only if for singular nouns. Okay? And for plural nouns, we are going to use there are. There are use for plural nouns. Okay? Remember. So what are the 2 things that we need to remember? There is, we use it for singular nouns. There are, we use it for plural nouns. Okay, let's look at the examples in the board. There is a poster. Poster. Poster is, we see many posters around our classrooms. Okay. There is a car. There is a car. Car. You can see maybe outside. Okay. There is a pen. Inside a classroom, there is a pen. So this is my pen, my red pen. This is a pen. Okay, again, let's read again. There is a poster. There is a car. There is a pen. Now, let's read again. There is a poster. Okay, please read. Very good. Next. There is a car. Now it's your turn. Please read. Okay, very good. Next. There is a pen. Please read again. Very good. Okay, now let's read the examples for there are. Okay. There are 2 posters. Please read. Very good. Next. There are a lot of cars. Okay, please read. Now it's your turn. Very good. Next. There are some pens. Please read. Okay, very good. Now, let's see if you still remember how to use there is and there are. Let's have a little exercise. You have to tell if I'm going to show you some objects here, and you have to try to practice if you're going to use there is or there are. Okay, example. We call this a bunch of keys, but I will say keys, okay? If it's only one, it's a key. Since there are 2 keys, okay? There are keys. There is a marker, a black marker. Very good. Now, try this one. There is a red marker. Very good, that's great. And how about this? There is a ruler, okay? I call it a ruler. Some people, they call it a scale. Okay? So I hope you learned about there is and there are. Now, I'm going to give you some tips, okay? For example, you only see this. I'm going to erase this one. When you're going to answer your homework, the instruction there is write there is and there are to complete the sentences. So when you see the letter A, instantly, all of this, the answer is right. There is. So all of this, there is. Very good. Now, when you see S at the end of the nouns, it means it's more than one. So it's a plural noun, okay? Plural nouns. So what are we going to use? There is or there are? It will be there are. Very good. Now let's answer. And that's it. So your homework will be like this, similar to this one. So for now, the only thing that you need to remember, let's have a recap or a review. There is, we use it for singular nouns. There are, we use it for plural nouns. Very good. I'm very happy that all of you are learning. So please also watch lesson 2. Okay? So for now, you can also go and check your homework number 3 for this month of June. Okay? That's all for now. Goodbye, grade 7A and grade 7B. So I hope you learn how to use there is and there are. Goodbye.